I'm Evan Smith with BrothersPerfromance.com. If you're looking for an affordable way to find 15 to 20 horsepower and brighten the engine bay in your Fox body Mustang, look no further than a set of these BBK equal-length Shorty headers. BBK's equal-length Shorty headers reduce exhaust restriction, provide a throaty sound, and connect easily to most factory aftermarket mid-pipes. These Shorty headers feature larger than stock 1 5/8 inch primary tubes, 2.5 inch collector, and are formed from heavy-duty 16-gauge tubing. And the pipes are equal in length, which enhances exhaust scavenging for a bit more power. To ensure durability and maximum sealing, BBK's headers attach to the cylinder head with a thick 3/8 inch flange, and every set of headers is pressure tested to ensure leak-free performance. This, of course, is the chrome version, but BBK also offers them with a really sweet ceramic finish. Best of all, both sets are smog legal in all 50 states, and we include all the gaskets and hardware to simplify installation. And of course, all BBK headers are made right here in the USA. To learn more about what's available for your late model performance car, be sure to check out BrothersPerfromance.com and stop by our showroom and installation center located in DeLand, Florida, or call 1-800-486-2681.